Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I want to talk about SurgeGraph. It's been a while without talking about this AI writing tool, but there has been some interesting news lately and I want to show you something. And I also want to see them by myself, because I didn't take a look at all these news. These three latest news are quite interesting in my opinion. Now, before diving in, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want, leave a comment below. The first new feature into SurgeGraph is this topic discovery, launched on March 19. Then we have an interesting Flex release. I will show you this one in a moment. And the latest one is the Bring Your Own Key. It's now supported, and even OpenRounter you can connect now into SurgeGraph. Let's take a look at topic discovery first. This is one of the latest news here on SurgeGraph. As you can see, you can choose between one of these options: expand a keyword and topic, competitor topic gap, chat with topic AI. So in this case, for example, you insert a seed keyword and discover related topic opportunities. Let's try something really simple like fitness. This is obviously a seed keyword. I can click on this create project. I have this fitness content expansion with a grow my idea section. So this is the seed keyword. And as you can see, I have some suggestions: fitness enthusiasts, beginners looking to get fit, health conscious individuals. So this is an expansion of this seed keyword. And now I need again to click on this create project. SurgeGraph is working. As you can see, project will take about 5-7 minutes to complete. So let's wait. As you can see, these steps are well defined: setting up, expanding keywords from your seed keywords, analyzing keywords, and then identifying low-hanging fruit. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, this is pretty interesting if you need to generate a new website and generate a topical map, or you want to expand your website, maybe with a new section. So this goes beyond the usual keyword research. You insert a seed keyword and you have many ideas for your articles. In this case, it found 128 total topics with this potential traffic, the keyword distribution. As you can see, it also suggests me a pillar article, health and wellness management, with some other sub pages. So here you have a complete structure if you want for your site or to start your site. This is another pillar article, mental and physical health integration. You also have an average keyword difficulty, and again I say the keyword distribution here, but it's a keyword difficulty distribution. You also have a total search volume here, a little quick indication on the difficulty of these keywords. Take it obviously as an indication. And again, other section, here we only have one article: boost immunity natural, even here just one. These are a little bit more difficult. As you can see, they are medium. And then you have another section, workout programs, with a pillar article and many other sub pages. So you can see it's pretty cool. You can also use these switches here, low-hanging fruits, if you want to only see the low-hanging fruits. Let's see if I have something. There are no low-hanging fruits in this specific case, I suppose because fitness is really a common topic, so maybe that's the reason. Or you can use topic visualization, so you can look at your topics in this different way. Very interesting, because you can have an idea of the structure of your website and where the silos of articles are. Pretty cool as a new update for SurgeGraph. Now it's integrated, and I will talk about prices later, obviously. But now let's take a look at this other interesting new feature. It's called Flex, and as you can see here, create a fully customized AI content workflows to suit your own use case. So you can generate your own workflows. This is the menu, this is the SurgeGraph Flex. Let's open this one, and in order to use this, you need to connect an API key from OpenAI, for example, or even with OpenRounter. You just need to click on this new workflow, and here you can choose the style of workflow you want. You have a long form article, news article, tutorial, local SEO, recipe, restaurant review, SEO score scanner, article optimizer. So you can generate different kind of things here. Let's try this tutorial how to article. I call it test and create. Okay, so I now need to click on this button, and as you can see, I have something here. This is an already made template, but you can generate your own for your specific need. And as you can see, maybe you can find this difficult, but once you learn to use it, it's quite intuitive, because you can define your input, you can define all the sections you want in your workflow, and you can connect them. As you can see, you can move these lines, you can generate your own workflow. Obviously, it's not something for absolutely beginners, but here you have an how to use Flex section, so you can learn how to use Flex, learn how to connect all these sections, why you need to connect some one of them and not others. As you can see here, for example, this is for choosing the AI model, OpenAI model in this case. This goes to the title section, the output of the title section goes to this title in save as document. Then you have again an OpenAI model that goes into this content goal. Okay, it's again not for absolutely beginners, but if you learn to use it, I think you can generate pretty interesting things, even something quite unique that only you will use. And here, for example, is the outline section with some different options you can find here in this outline section, or here you have this long form section where you can define different things. And again, it's a different way to generate a workflow. It's a visual way, so maybe you can find interesting. And this is the Flex new feature in SurgeGraph. The latest one is this bring your own key. It's now supported for everyone, so you can connect your OpenAI key, for example, or you can connect your OpenRounter key. And in OpenRounter you may have a lot of AI models you can use then here in SurgeGraph. So these are the latest 3 pretty interesting new updates in SurgeGraph. Talking about prices, obviously you can find the link in the description, and if you never saw one of my videos about SurgeGraph, well, you can take a look at them. Obviously many things are changed, but price is still really interesting in this case. And obviously if you only choose 1 month, this is the price. If you want to commit for 1 year, this is the price, and it's pretty cheap for what you can have. But if you want to commit for a 3-year plan, well, the price is pretty competitive and you have 14-day money back guarantee. Anyway, click on the link in the description. description, you can take a look at this page on how this tool works, and then if you want, obviously you can try it by yourself. This is the only way to know exactly if it's made for you or not. I hope you enjoyed this new update for SurgeGraph. If so, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Here you can find the link to some of my other contents if you want to take a look, and I'll see you soon in the next one.